Hello, welcome to my Son de France. Today I have this to review. It is a all-in-one dynamic vocal microphone, and it has like an on and off switch. It comes with like a guide or whatever, and it says that it's a dynamic microphone. So like the microphone doesn't need like electricity like a condenser microphone does. It also says that it comes with a built-in filter. Like it says dynamic, and it has like a 3.5 millimeter. It has like a long cable that it's ultra wide frequency. It says it's cardioid pickup to minimize the background noise. So like it has built-in noise elimination, and eliminates low frequency distortion. So that's really cool, and I wanted it because it had all that integrated already, and because it was a dynamic, like I thought, well, that would be perfect for me because like I film from my phone. I know you guys laugh at me all the time, you know, brokey vibes over here at Studio C, but I do film from my phone. It's true. I have an iPhone and I try to keep up with the latest iPhone, but like, you know, I said it has a 10-foot cable which I attached, so like I can use it here where I cam up, and it's a lightweight microphone, you know. It's just like this little microphone, and I thought I would get a new microphone and get rid of the old one, not because I didn't like it or I wasn't like appreciative of it, but because this one was brand name and it only costed like 13 bucks. So like there's 3 other ones that like cost like the same amount, same brand, and I was like, well, I want this one, right? Because it's like brand name, Behringer or whatever. And so like here it is. Let me try to get it in the, here it is. I have it all set up on this little thing. So like this like takes out the extra other noise, like, so like when you're talking it doesn't like vibrate and cause other interference. And that's why I like I said, I like this microphone because it does it already. And this of course is like for a more professional level, and I bought adapters and stuff. I always get adapters so that way I can use it on my iPhone. But you know, like I said, I do what I can for my studio. And this of course connects to my phone, and this of course connects here, and we're going to review it and see how well it does. So let me connect it to my iPhone and let's get this ball rolling. If you can still hear me.
And it didn't work. Sorry.
There. Back to the iPhone mic, which actually isn't bad at all. It's kind of the best microphone. It's not the best camera, but it is a 4K camera. So it's kind of really good, irregardless. But yeah, this is an all-in-one dynamic vocal microphone set. And like I said, the difference between this dynamic and the condenser is the fact that it doesn't need an electric charge. It runs through straight into the feed and you can hear it direct. There's no extra going on in the microphone. It's just straight talk, and you know, like the condenser, like it picks up all kinds of stuff. If you have a professional studio and you have this glorious, wonderful voice, hey, you know what? All the power to you. If you have the money and all that, great. I'm happy for you. Studio C, like I said, you know, we're very economical, and obviously my channel was built on prepper stuff. I'm not going to go way out of budget for a microphone unless I have the cash. That said, like, comment, share, and subscribe. And I'll see you guys again soon on the next one. This was a review of this BC 110 all-in-one dynamic vocal microphone by Behringer. So, see you guys again on the next video. My son de front. Bye-bye.